All right, here's what we got. Somebody in the comments on the Camaro asked about actually seeing it done. So this is the 64 Chevelle, and we're gonna show you what we do. I'm gonna cut up through here to right beside that screw. I'm gonna reach inside and pull that little extra piece of metal out and push it in tight where Dylan can tack it. All right, so as you can see, I got my piece tore loose. And then, you know, whenever we move on down through here and make this fit, we'll be able to pull that. Can you see through that hole? See that piece of metal? Now what I do is I always pack it to shake off the little old sanding dust, and then we'll push it in just like that. All right, you hear how he's double touching it. Sometimes you have to give a little spot and then double touch it. Hand me my 1/4 inch gun. So now, take the screw out, just like that. And we'll cut to the next screw. One thing that I want to say is you don't want to cut straight in. If you cut straight in, even though that's a thin disc, it will leave a wider gap. Come in, I mean, the straighter, the more parallel you can run with it, or how do I say it? It's not a 90, but maybe a 45 or even straight up. It makes a tighter gap. And then come in here, see my piece of metal, see how it's already folding it out of the way. And then once you get to the end up there, you'll be able to pull it straight back at you. Now you see, when I roll this in, I can push it in, and then I can roll it around to the top so that it makes them touch. It's just a little technique. All right. All right. A little windy today, messing with the gas and stuff. All right. And then See how nice that is, and then we'll continue to move on. I think that's probably a good enough tutorial. Just take your screws out. I like to do short distances because if you were to take out 3 or 4 screws down through there, that could change levels a little bit, but it probably wouldn't be enough to make a big difference. But once that is welded solid, it's a little bit thin right there, that's going to be a nice spot, nice crown.